saw your flag. Another star, another stripe. What's your new bag? Something real or just some hype? Tell me, what have you sown? Have you prospered and grown? Why shouldn't you have your moments of genius? Just because our alliance broke with no civil words between us. Oh, my beautiful enemy, beautiful, I send my scorn and ridicule. You're not innocent, no, not innocent, no one's innocent. My nation's grand, your name's not on any signs. It's so well planned and well groomed, and yet sometimes the past tornadoes through. People talk about you.